Let me show you my diagram. I'm always talking about the diagram. This is the diagram I make for the controller. And let me see if I can do this. Lay it down right there. I orientate that just as if I'm looking at the end of the controller. So if I'm looking straight on like that, that's how my diagram looks. See, I've got these 3 horizontal tabs. There I've got 3 horizontal lines. Whoops, right there, red, white, and black. Then I've got the 2 tabs that go sideways. That's what that dark thing that says B minus, and that dark thing that says A1. Then over here, we've got one going up and down, one up and down. You come over here, the one on the left is M minus, up and down. The one on the right that says 2 wires, both A2. Now, I made some other notes on here. So, okay, I'm looking at my notes in the middle of this thing, where the main black wire goes through the OBC, the onboard computer, and the 10 black and the small gray. There's 3 wires on that B minus terminal. That's what that is. So anyway, I just wanted to explain my drawing, and also I write top, meaning this is the top of the controller. But that's how simple a drawing I make. And the little stuff in this box over here is the wires that were on the main positive of the battery when I removed them. So that's what that is. Always make a diagram, always. Even if you want to take pictures, the diagram helps me more than the pictures, and I don't get my camera all dirty. I marked my wires. You can see I got marks on them where they go. And I'm going to bend over and hurt my back and install this controller and see if we can get this beast going. I hope this isn't a pattern, because I don't want to keep getting these in. I want to work on the newer carts. I want to work on the RXVs like that, or the precedents. So I'll be back.